Please put your hands together for Relient K!
How's it going, everybody? We're Relient K. You guys want to have a good time with us? Because we want to have a good time with you. Here, let's do it. I watch the proverbial sunrise coming up over the Pacific, and you might think I'm losing my mind, but I will shy away from the specifics, 'cause I don't want you to know where I am, 'cause then you'll see my heart in the saddest state it's ever been, and this is no place to try and live my life. That's exactly where I lost it, where I never should have crossed it, where I never should have said it. It's the very moment that I wish that I could take back. I'm sorry for the person I became. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to change. I'm ready to be sure I never become that way again. 'Cause so I can't wait to have been who I am made to have been. Let's go! Well, I talked to absolutely no one. Couldn't keep to myself enough, and the things bottled inside that finally begun to create so much pressure I'd soon blow up, and I the reverberating footsteps sinking up to the beating in my heart. And I was positive that unless I cut myself together, I would watch me fall apart. I can't let that happen again, 'cause then you'll see my heart in the saddest state it's ever been. This is no place to try and live my life. Stop it there, that's exactly where I lost it. See that line? I never should have crossed it. Stop right there, I never should have said that. It's the very moment that I wish that I could take back. That's exactly where I lost it. Where I never should have crossed it. Where I never should have said that. It's the very moment that I wish. Come on! I'm sorry for the person I became. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to change. I'm ready to try and never become that way again. So I can't wait to have been who I am made to have been. Thank you. About, what, like 3 months ago, we put out a new record, something like that, maybe more, 4? It was in March, I don't know how to count, but anyway. It's called 5 Score, 7 years ago. We're gonna play a couple new songs. This one is one of them. It's called Devastation and Reform.
Fear can drive a stick
and it's taking me down this road, a road down which I swore I'd never go. Oh, and here I sit, thinking of God knows what, afraid to admit I might self-destruct. Whip open the door, 'cause I got enough problems without creating more. Well, I feel like I was born for devastation and reform, destroy everything I love in the worst part. I pull my heart out, reconstruct, but in the end it's nothing fun. I'll show you what I had when I first started. An injury I'll cause with my own fisted. Yeah, it seems to me to be slightly masochistic. Story without all this dissension, so I inflict the conflict with the utmost of intention. So lock the windows, ramp up the door, 'cause I got enough problems without creating more. Well, I feel like I was born for devastation and reform, destroy everything I love in the worst part. Pull my heart out, reconstruct, but in the end it's nothing fun. I'll show you what I had when I first started. So I might make these wrongs right if and when there ever is a next time. 'Cause failure is a blessing in disguise. Pull my heart out, reconstruct. In the end, it's nothing but I should have what I had when I first started. Let's do it. Well, I feel like I was born for devastation and reform, destroy everything I love in the worst part. I pull my card out, reconstruct, but in the end it's nothing but a shell of what I had when I first started. When I first started, show me what I had when I first started. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you. This was going to be another new one, and it's pretty self-explanatory. This song's called The Best Thing. It's been a year filled with problems, but now you're here, almost as if to solve them. And I can't live in a world without you. Now all my life I've been searching for you. How did I survive in this world before you? 'Cause I don't wanna live another day without you now. This is the best thing, the best thing that could be happening. And I think you would agree, the best thing is that it's happening to you and me. All I wanna have is all that you can give me. I'll give right back everything I have in me. 'Cause nothing ever feels right, just does right now. I'll go you dare to stare right back. You should have said, nice to meet you, I'm your other half. Yeah, this is the best thing that could be happening. And I think you would agree the best thing is that it's happening to you and me. Whoa, the best thing is that it's happening to you and me. Always knew I'd find someone I never dreamt it'd be like this. 'Cause you've surpassed all that I've hoped for and ever wished. And trying so hard with all my heart and mind to make your life as good as you made mine. Oh, this is the best thing that could be happening. And I think you would agree the best thing is that it's happening. Yeah, this is the best thing that could be happening. And I think you would agree the best thing is that it's happening to me. This next song is about faith, and I guess that kind of what we're kind of talking about in this song kind of goes along with that movie. So we saw it yesterday, by the way, good movie. You guys should go check it out. Evan Almighty. This song's called Life After Death and Taxes. Never forget there's life after death and taxes, and forgiveness comes, and all of the rest, it passes away. White taxi, send me straight to the heart of it. Nuclear so politics where somebody's guided it. They tax me with a scalpel piece by piece. Cut me deep and let me cry. There was nothing left to lose. I'll be out my breath, knowing that you'll save me, knowing that you'll save me. And after all the stupid things I did, there's nothing left there to forgive. 'Cause you already forgave me, you already forgave me. Just keep driving, leave us to feed miles behind me. So far back I'd have to wrap my mind and just remind me. I keep trying to pick myself back up and then move on. Think about the life I'll have when this fragile one is gone. This is how I choose to live, as if I'm jumping off a cliff, knowing that you save me, knowing that you save me. After all the stupid things I did, there's nothing left there to forgive. 'Cause you already forgave me, already forgave me. Is life after death and taxes and forgiveness comes, and all of the rest, it passes. This is how I choose to live, as if I'm jumping off a cliff, knowing that you'll save me, knowing that you'll save me after all the stupid things I did. There's nothing left to forgive, 'cause you already forgave me. You already forgave me. Death and decay can't touch us. Well, we got a couple more songs if that's okay with you guys. You know what we think? We think that you guys are really nice, and I'll go as far to say wonderful. And we want to thank you guys for being so nice to us during this performance. We really don't get it. We don't really deserve it, but we think maybe, just maybe, us boys in Relient K, we must have done something right. We should get jerseys, 'cause we make a good team. Yours will look better than mine, 'cause you're out of my league. That's right. And I know that it's so cliche to tell you that every day I spend with you is a new best day of my life. Everyone watching us turns away with disgust. It's jealousy they can see. We've got it going on, racking my brain for a new improved way to let you know you're the one to lead and what I know how to say. Okay with the way this is going to be. This is going to be the best thing we've ever seen. If anyone could make me a better person, you could. All I gotta say, so much to done something good. You came along one day, you rearranged my life. All I gotta say, so must have done something right. I must have done something right. Maybe I'm just lucky, 'cause it's hard to believe. You're leaving somebody like you to end up with someone like me. And I know that it's so cliche to talk about you this way, but I'll push all my inhibitions aside. It's so obvious to those who are watching us. We have got so real good going on, wrecking my brain for a new improved way to let you know you're more to me than what I know how to say. Okay with the way this is going to be. This is going to be the best thing we've ever seen. Come on. If anyone could make me a better person, you could. All I gotta say, so must have done something good. You came along one day, you rearranged my life. All I gotta say, so must have done something right. Ba, 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 anyone can make me a better person. All I gotta say, so must have done something good. You came along one day, you rearranged my life. All I gotta say, so must have done something right. Whoa, 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 whoa. I must have done something right. Whoa, 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 whoa. I must have done something right. I must have done something right. Yes. here's my fate. And this one last bullet you mentioned is my one last shot at redemption. 'Cause I know to live you must give your life away. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside the house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm stuck inside a rut that I fell into by mistake. Gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. Giving up, I'm doing this alone now, 'cause I feel that I'm ready to be shown how. Told me the way, and now I'm trying to get there. And this life sentence that I'm serving, I admit that I'm every bit deserving. The beauty of grace is that it makes life not fair. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside the house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm afraid that this complacency is something I can't shake. I gotta get out of here. I'm begging you to be my escape. To my own humanity, self-detained and forced to live in this mess I've made. And all I'm asking is for you to do what you can with me, but I can't ask you to give what you already gave. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside the house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though... All right, California, can you guys sing this for us? Because we ain't singing it. Here we go. I'm stuck inside a rut that I fell into by mistake. I gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you to be my escape. Skin, but so are you. So are you. Thanks. This is it. This is our last song. We had so much fun hanging out with you guys. Thanks for being here. You guys excited for Switchfoot, Jeremy Camp? That's right. But before you get to them, you gotta sing one last song with us. This song is called "I So Hate Consequences." If you know the words, I want to hear it. Thanks again, guys. We love you. Just want more of this too. And I saw consequences running. better let you down. Let's do it, man, let's hear it. Go! I gotta get away from all of my mistakes. Just not like me, this is more than just a setback. Really not really pathetic. And every trace of momentum is gone. And to all my alibis desert me, I just wanna get by. I don't want nothing to hurt me. I had no idea where my head was at. My heart says I'm sorry, can we leave it at that? Because I just want for all of this to end. And I so hate consequences. Running from you is my best defense. Yeah. Consequences, God, don't make me face up to this. And I so consequences. Running from you is my best defenses. I know that I let you down. And I don't wanna do it back. I spent all last night
Sharing time,
every stoplight.
some sun in this town.
Now I think they're mine.
Please stop me now.
I get away despite the fact I'm so way down. All my escapes have been exhausted. Thought I had a way, but then I lost it. My resistance was once much stronger, and I know I can't go on like this much longer.
Thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of your evening.